Hey guys, Josh from Kings Loot. Today we're going to talk about the Kings Loot Lifetime Replacement Program. Now, before I get started, don't forget, click that button below, like and subscribe. Let's go ahead and dig in. So the Lifetime Replacement Program it's named what it is for a reason. It's not a guarantee. And the reason why we invented the replacement program was because typically Lifetime Guarantee only covers manufacturer defect. But we really wanted something that was more valuable to customers. We wanted to be able to have that customer for life and serve them for a lifetime. So the replacement program was designed to replace the wallet at any time, at any reason. This means if your dog chews it up, that's fine. Put it in a bag, send it back to us, and we'll send you a brand new wallet. This is kind of the way that this works. So typically, when a customer has a wallet, what'll happen is either it gets damaged, discolored, whatever happens. Sometimes customers just want a different color. All you have to do is click on the Lifetime Replacement tab on the Kings Loot website and fill out the form. It's that easy. The last step is our customer care team will send you a shipping label. You send your old wallet in. As soon as we receive your old wallet, we send you a brand new one, no questions asked. Now, this leads me into the next segment I want to talk about, Kings Care. Now, Kings Care was designed to cover the only thing that our replacement program doesn't cover, and that is a lost or stolen wallet. So in order to get a brand new wallet, all you have to do is send your old wallet in, we'll send you a new one, no questions asked. With Kings Care, we will replace the lost or stolen wallet. You can't find it, you lost it, somebody took it, you left it at the grocery store. It doesn't matter the reason. All you have to do is email our support team and they will send you a brand new wallet, no questions asked. All right, so again, the Lifetime Replacement is designed to replace a wallet at any time for any reason, and the Kings Care is designed to replace a lost or stolen wallet. You guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe below.